Spring snow, everything in bloom and icing. Flitting doom looms enticing. In this seasonal splicing, the greenery is whiting, picking flowers as they're dying. I just wanted to say hi and you're still goodbying. I'm just listening to industrial music and making a nice little outdoor Zen garden. My bunny is tucked away back here. I'm only using things I don't think nature will mind me grabbing, like this already fallen branch or a bit of weeds, dead flowers, easy stuff. Whatever the weather, I hope you're feeling very zen.